they sit there and decompose. This is important because little types of microorganisms and little tiny grass shrimp and bait fish, they feed on those leaves. So when you take away the trees, you're taking away an important part of the food chain for small fish and small crustaceans. Adding to the importance of the trees, 50% of the waterfowl birds like brown pelicans, egrets, herons, cranes, they all live and nest in these roots of the red mangrove tree. Now, that's very important what I just told you about that, because when they built Southport, ahead and to your right, this large containerized cargo facility, which in a short time has grown to become the 13th busiest container cargo port in the nation. When they built this, they actually had to uproot the mangrove trees. Now, if you've been on the Fort Lauderdale tour and you saw Millionaire's Row, those were all mangroves, but that was the 20s. They didn't know that these trees were crucial to the environment. If you were out here in the 20s, you look at this and say, let's just bulldoze all this and build some condos or houses. But nowadays, we're more protective of the environment. So when they built Southport, they had to uproot those trees, and they had to replant an equal or greater number of trees inside the state park so they would be protected. So it's called green credits or something. Port Everglades is the world's busiest cruise port. We actually handle about 55 different cruise ships here in the wintertime. In the summer, we only have 3. That's because all of our ships, except for 3, go to the Mediterranean and go to Alaska. And so we only have a few ships here in the summertime. In the summertime also, we continue handling cargo. The reason the cargo handling is so big here is you have a combination of big ships. You see the CSAV Laha. That ship actually is doing a combo of loading and unloading here today. A lot of ships like that come in like a